Hello, word enthusiasts, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on another linguistic adventure. Today, we're diving into a word that's all around us, a word that represents a hub of activity and a center of life. City. Our word today, city, is an A1 level noun meaning a large town. A city is typically larger than a town and often has more developed infrastructure, a greater population, and more extensive services. Think of bustling streets, towering buildings, and a vibrant cultural scene. That's often a city. So, let's explore the meaning of city in everyday language. We often use the word city to refer to a place where many people live and work. For example, I live in a city, or she works in the city center. It's a foundational word for describing our world. Now, let's look at some synonyms for city. How else can we describe a place similar to a city? One synonym is metropolis. A metropolis suggests an even larger and more important city, often a center of culture and commerce. For example, New York is a sprawling metropolis. Another synonym is urban center. Urban center is a more technical term, often used in planning and development, but it essentially means the same thing. The government is investing in the urban center to create more jobs. We can also use the term town. For example, while it's smaller, the vibrant town felt like a city. The word borough can also be used. The borough of Brooklyn is a popular place to live. These words help paint a richer picture of the kind of place we're talking about. Now, let's explore the flip side of the coin, antonyms. What words represent the opposite of a city? One obvious antonym is countryside. The countryside refers to rural areas, typically with farms, fields, and fewer people. They moved from the city to the countryside for a quieter life. Another antonym is village. A village is a small community in a rural area, much smaller and less developed than a city. She grew up in a small village far from the city lights. The word rural area can also be used. The appeal of the rural area is its proximity to nature. Another one is hamlet. For example, the hamlet consisted of about 20 homes. An opposite of city is wilderness. The wilderness is untouched by human development. Let's consider how we use city in everyday life. You might say, I'm going to the city for a business meeting. Or, the city never sleeps. You might hear someone say the cost of living is high in the city. Consider expressions like, she's a city girl at heart, meaning she enjoys the hustle and bustle of urban life. Or, he escaped the city for a weekend getaway, implying a desire for peace and quiet. Here are some example sentences. The city is known for its diverse culture. He loves the vibrant nightlife of the city. The mayor is working to improve the infrastructure of the city. She wants to start a business in the city. The city offers many opportunities for young professionals. Let's practice some phrases. The heart of the city. A city dweller. Living in the city. Traveling to the city. Exploring the city. To recap, a city is a large town, a hub of activity and culture. Synonyms include metropolis, urban center, town, and borough, while antonyms include countryside, village, rural area, hamlet, and wilderness. We use city in countless everyday conversations and expressions, making it a fundamental part of our vocabulary. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the word city. I hope you found it informative and engaging. Before we wrap up, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please consider subscribing to Hello Word and leaving a review on your favorite podcast platform. Your support helps others discover our show and continue their English learning journey. Now, for your homework. I want you to create your own sentence using the word city and share it as a comment below the video. Let's see your creativity shine. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.